In this video, we're going to have a look at how we can customize the transparency of different layers. So in this case, as you can see, we have this layer which is overlaying the background, which is this basically square. So we can pick that up. So make sure to pick the rectangle in here. And now we can actually go to this button here, the transparency, and we can make it more transparent or less transparent. So if we set it, for instance, to 62% like that, you can see how that now is transparent and we can see the background through it. Of course, you can change now its colors. So if we make it white like that, it might look a little bit better, just like that. And let's change this, the border like that. So like that, you can see how that is now transparent and you can see the background through that layer.